Hi. In this video I will show you how to put parking sensors on a Volkswagen Passat. This is the complete set in which we find 4 parking sensors, main control box, LED display indication and hole saw. To be able to put the sensors we need to remove the rear bumper. Rear bumper is attached to the car with screws. These screws can be seen in pictures. Before taking off the rear bumper from the car, we measure the distances between the ground and the sensors. The parking sensors are positioned according to the date schema. For the sensors holes I will use the hole saw from the monting kit. Don't forget, like and subscribe. After we make the 4 holes in the marked places, we put the rear bumper down from the car and we start to mount the sensors. They are mounted with the white dot up, as shown in the picture. From the inside of that hole, we pull of the cables to connect the sensors. We cover them with the insulating tape and catching up them on the metal bar using nylon cable ties. After fitting the sensors and mounting the rear bumper, they will look like this. The power supply of the control module, we will do it from the reverse light backlight. We make the connections to the wires that lead to the bulb. And this module is powered by voltage only when we go with the back. This is the control module in which I plug the wires from the sensors, the power supply and the cable that goes to the monitor. We'll catch him behind the backup lamp to hide him. The cable that goes to the monitor can be put on the top, under the hood, handles and sun visor. The best positioning of the monitor is above the rear view mirror. Its operation, as distance and colors, can be seen in the picture. Thank you for watching. And do not forget, like and subscribe.